The CNC machine has an added feature of an onboard computer called Machine Control Unit or MCU in short. The machine functions are coded into the computer ROM at the time of manufacture and they do not get erased when the machine is turned off. The MCU has a keyboard for manual data input or MDI of part program. Such programs are stored in random access memory or RAM of the computer. They can be played back, edited, and processed by the control unit. MCU also has a graphic screen in which the program and the generated toolpath can be displayed. CNC controls are also referred to as soft-wired NC system because most of their control functions are implemented by the control software programs. CNC machines can be used continuously and only need to be switched off for occasional maintenance. These machines require less skilled people to operate, unlike manual lathe or milling machines. CNC machines can be updated by improving the software used to drive the machines. Training for such type of CNC machines can be done through the use of virtual software and simulators like CAD/CAM, Fanuc CNC machining simulation, Autodesk CNC machining and Power Mill, and many more.